'cause I'm a fool for your love.
Welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, you're going to be watching me upgrade my desk in my makeup studio. I realized when I originally made this vlog in the beginning of quarantine, this was a couple weeks ago, I never actually did an intro, and I just got around to editing it, and I was like, let me get on there on the video and actually explain what I'm doing so you're not like, what's going on? So yeah, I'm basically just upgrading my desk, and I put a new background on it. It used to be solid fabric, and now it is that really pretty faux brick contact paper. I will link it in the description box. I got it off of Amazon. It was super cheap, and you could use that to really upgrade all kinds of things throughout your house. It's just like a fun little DIY project if you're still in quarantine like I am. So yeah, if you want to see me do some upgrades to my studio, then just keep watching. I've had an issue with this camera for years. I've bought in 3 lenses for it, and every time I buy them, they last like 6 months and then they break. So that sucks. This is the Sony A5100. I still have my good camera, but it just really sucks that this isn't working because I do use this a lot. So I'm using my phone now, but this is what it looks like against the wall. I still have to clean everything up, but I love it. It looks so good. It's crazy how much it, like, just a simple thing transformed the piece. So yeah, I'll show you once everything's put together. Okay, so this is what the piece looks like all put back together. Yeah, it looks really, really good. I switched a couple things around on the shelves. I actually just put my awards up here. So these are from The Knot, and that one's from Wedding Wire, 2019, 2020, 2020. And hopefully that will continue to grow throughout the years. But I have my little benefit club pink just because, to me, it's kind of like an accomplishment to be able to work with benefit. So I wanted to keep that. I don't know what this is from. Oh, this is a card from my parents. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. If you're wondering where some of this stuff is from, so that was actually a gift. Not really a gift, but one of my friends who's a hairdresser got it, and she's like, it doesn't really go with my decor because I'm not a makeup artist, so she gave it to me. This was from Home Goods on clearance. This is actually from Amazon. It's a neon sign. So I don't have batteries in it right now, but it's actually a pink neon sign. It's really, really cute. This is from, I want to say IKEA, Home Goods. That picture frame, Home Goods or Marshalls, Home Goods, and TJ Maxx. Don't know. This is actually from a garage sale. IKEA. This is from Amazon, this little chair, and this is from Amazon as well, this rack. I actually have to print out like contracts and like different papers and stuff to keep in here, but yeah, that's what it looks like. So I wanted to share another little update with this room aside from the desk, which I'm still so in love with. I did end up switching. I had another piece here. It was actually a gift from my mom. It was song lyrics. Anyway, it was like a gold little frame, but I ended up putting this here because this is actually a piece from my brother. For those of you that don't know, I've mentioned it before, but my brother is an artist. And I recently bought this piece from him. He had an art show in New York City for like a week, a month or two ago, and it was amazing. It was like in the coolest space, and I went there twice to support him, and I ended up really loving this piece. So I bought it for my beauty room, and now it lives in this corner. Here, let me fix this pillow so kind of get the whole vibe here. But yeah, it's now in this corner, which I love this corner. A lot of times whenever people bring a guest, when they're getting their makeup done, like if they bring their mom or sister or whatever, they usually sit over there. So yeah, I put the piece over there and I really love it there, actually. I think it looks really good. And I moved the thing I had there into my bedroom because I had space in there. So yeah, I mean, the rest of the room is honestly kind of looking a little messy because I have to film and stuff. But I am planning on getting rid of this carpet. It looks really dirty. It's not. It's just like, one thing that bothers me about it, it's like when the fibers are like flipped the other way, like it looks dirty. But then if you push them back, it's like fine. But I'm going to get a new carpet anyway, even though it's not like in bad shape. I just feel like it looks a little dingy. So I think I'm going to get something brighter, like a lighter carpet, even though I'm a little scared I'm probably going to get stuff on it. But I'm just going to see if I can find something pretty cheap from like Wayfair or Walmart or something. I just don't know what kind of style of carpet I want to go for. I was kind of thinking like maybe I'll do something like a little bit, what's the word? Not like Southwestern, but I can't think of the word. I don't know. It'll come to me. But I can't decide if I still want to stick with something like more glam like this or like change up the style a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. And I still have the white bookshelf. Someone actually mentioned to me like, oh, why don't you move that? To be honest, there's nowhere else I can move it in this room because I would never move it in front of the window. This has to be here just because of this mirror. And this piece, this is really the only place it can go. So that's pretty much it. That's the only place that piece can be. And a couple people were like, oh, repaint it. But I just don't even like the style of it anymore. I've had it for years, so I think I am still going to upgrade. But I have to do one thing at a time because right now we're not working. So I don't want to be spending unnecessary money. But